Have you ever studied physics but still lost marks in exam? Have you ever looked at a physics question and felt like you knew the chapter but still could not solve it? That happens to many students. And usually the reason is not lack of intelligence. It is because a few common mistakes. In physics, small mistakes create big confusion. A missed unit, a wrong sign, a skipped diagram, a memorized formula without understanding. These small habits slowly make physics feel difficult. The first major mistake is memorizing formulas without understanding the concept. Many students try to remember equations like symbols only. But physics is not just about recalling formulas, it's about knowing what those formulas mean. The second mistake is skipping diagrams. Students often try to solve questions only with words, but physics becomes much easier when you draw the situation. A simple sketch can reveal direction, force, motion, angle, or connection. The third mistake is ignoring units. Units are not decoration. Units carry meaning. They tell us what quantity we are working with, and they help us to check whether an answer makes sense. Another common mistake is jumping into calculations too quickly. Many students do not stop to identify what the questions gives and what it asks. This creates confusion from the beginning. Students also lose marks by choosing the wrong formula. This happens when the concept is not clear or when the question is rushed. The formula should come after understanding the situation. In physics, direction matters. A wrong sign can completely change the answer. Students often make mistakes with positive and negative directions, especially in motion, force, current, and vector problems. Many students are afraid of numerical problems, so they avoid them. But avoiding numericals is one of the fastest way to become weak in physics. Numericals are not enemies. They are where understanding becomes strength. Another serious mistake is studying physics only before the exam. Physics is not a subject that becomes strong in one night. It grows through regular practice, revision, and repeated exposure. Some students think every chapter is separate, but physics is connected. Motion leads to force, force leads to work, work leads to energy, waves connected to sound and light, electricity connected to magnetism. The subject becomes easier when you see the connections. And perhaps the biggest mistake of all is deciding too early that physics is not for you. Many students struggle in the beginning. That is normal. Difficulty at the start does not mean inability. It only means the method needs to improve. To improve in physics, understand before memorizing, draw diagrams, respect units, and identify what is given and what is required. Use formulas carefully. Watch your signs. Practice numericals. Revise regularly. Connect chapters, and most importantly, do not give up. In this course, we will avoid these mistakes together. We will learn every topic step by step with clear visuals, real understanding, problem solving methods, and strong revision support. That is how physics become easier. Physics become difficult when we study it with the wrong habits. But when we remove the common mistakes, the subject becomes clear, lighter, and more beautiful. So do not fear physics. Fix the method, and the understanding will follow.